अभी हम हैं at India's one of the tallest residential towers and we are going to check out 3.5 BHK. So while you check this property, let me tell you some interesting facts about this project. This place is located in Mahalakshmi and is nearing possession. Possession आने के बाद the prices of this place are definitely going to rise. In fact, phase 1 का OC already आ चुका है and the amenities are all set to be used. यहाँ आपको मिलते हैं huge 3.5 and 4 BHK apartments with these wide decks and uninterrupted sea and Mahalakshmi Racecourse view. In fact, यहाँ के deck का area is around 350 square feet and the overall apartment's carpet area is around 2000 square feet. You also get amazing amenities like this grand entrance lobby, swimming pool, huge deck and much more. अगर आप भी साउथ मुंबई में नियर पोजेशन प्रॉपर्टीज देख रहे हैं, देन चेक आउट द कैप्शन बिलो एंड आज ही हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए फॉर सच लग्जूरियस प्रॉपर्टीज. एंड यस, डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स.